want to spend money or make money? Your choice.
All right, number one, ATMs. ATMs is basically, a passive business. I advise, a truck driver should really try to look into it or get into it, because you can make a lot of money off of it if you know what you're doing. Now with ATMs, all you got to do, the cost efficient is at least from $2,500, $2,800 if you want like a brand new one. And getting really started don't really cost that much. But if you're really smart, if you really want to save money, go on OfferUp, go on Facebook Market, go on places like that. You can find them ATMs for cheap. Or if you know somebody, or if you go look around, etc.